New tonight, a Harris County jury just sentenced a man to 50 years in prison for murdering his adopted son. We first started covering this tragic story 3 years ago when the body of 7-year-old Troy Kohler was found inside a washing machine in the family's North Harris County home. Anieli Ruiz is hearing from those who spoke on Troy's behalf in court today. Anieli.
Well, Troy's first grade teacher stood in front of court today to face the man, she says, the man charged in killing her student. The boy she recalls as being her loved one, as being one of her own.
And a child shall lead them. That verse has never felt more real.
In a Harris County courtroom, Cheryl Reed stood face to face with the man convicted of killing her student, 7-year-old Troy Kohler.
He was like a son that I never had. I love that little boy.
Troy was found dead inside a washing machine in 2022. Investigators say his adoptive father, Jermaine Thomas, drowned him and struck him with an object.
That doesn't make sense to me. That's heartless, it's cruel.
But today, as a sentence came down, Cheryl stood strong for Troy.
Why was it important for you to participate in this?
Speak for Troy since he couldn't speak for himself, and to advocate for Troy, and so that people would understand that he wasn't just a 7-year-old boy found in a washing machine.
She remembers a boy full of life with a love for Sonic the Hedgehog and a heart for others.
He was a big ball of energy. He loved to read, he loved to play, he loved to help others.
As she read this statement, she says she looked Jermaine Thomas in the eye.
What was his reaction?
He didn't have tears. He did give me some eye contact.
Now sentenced to 50 years in prison, she says Thomas will carry what he did for the rest of his life. But what she hopes the most,
I want him to think about Troy every single day for the rest of his life.
now Troy's adoptive mother is expected to appear in court here in September. Troy's teacher says she'll be here again if she's asked by officials. She also says she plans to start a foundation to honor Troy, to help other children who might be facing similar situations. Reporting live in downtown Houston, Anieli Ruiz, KHOU 11 News.
A teacher speaking for her child, her student who could not. Anieli, thank you.